despairrepair.com.
Hi everyone and welcome to despairrepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to solve the problem of a slowly retracting seatbelt. So if you get a situation like this one where the seatbelt won't retract back, we're going to show you how to fix it quick and simple and without dismantling any of the seatbelt mechanism.
Two ways of cleaning the seatbelt: using warm water and laundry detergent or using wet wipes.
So what you'll need for this quick fix is a towel to put on the seat in order to protect it. You'll need a wash bowl or a bucket filled with warm water and laundry detergent and a laundry pin. The main purpose of this repair is to clean the fabric of the seatbelt. You see, over time the fabric of the seatbelt gets dirty due to usage and gets stiff, thus causing problems for the retracting system to retract the seatbelt back. Okay, so the first thing you should do is retract the seatbelt as far as it goes, like this. This is where the laundry pin comes in. You put it up here so the seatbelt won't retract back. After that, you put the whole seatbelt inside the water with the laundry detergent, like this. Make sure it's soaked in well, like that, and leave it there for about half an hour. Now that half an hour has passed, the next thing to do is take the seatbelt out of the water. Push it out a bit, like this. Right out. As you can see, the water is pretty dirty. Put the seatbelt on the towel and take the wash bowl out, like this. Okay, just put it on the towel. Now, if you're doing this in summer, just leave the seatbelt out and let it dry on its own. You can dry it a bit with the towel and then leave it retracted so that it can dry out by itself. If not, you can take a hair dryer like this one and dry it out. What's important to know is that the seatbelt has to be dried out completely. Okay, don't leave it wet. So if you're using a hair dryer, just dry it like this. Until it's completely dry. What you'll need for this quick fix is a pack of wet wipes, wet tissue wipes, and an old towel to protect the seat, and a laundry pinch. Now, once you put the towel on the seat, because to protect the seat, of course, start cleaning the seatbelt with the wet wipes, like this. Like this. It's gonna take some time. So I hope you got the point. Do the cleaning procedure on the whole seatbelt from top to bottom, as much as you put the laundry pinch on. Once you finish cleaning the seatbelt, the next thing you should do is to lubricate this part of the seatbelt here. Okay, this is the clip that holds the seatbelt up and serves to adjust the height of the seatbelt. So take the laundry clip off. As you can see, the retracting is better. Take it and lift the seatbelt up and put some spray inside here.
Once you've finished spraying the clip, you can also apply the silicone-based spray on the whole seatbelt fabric, as much as you can retract. This also helps the seatbelt retract better. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. For more information on how to do checkups and simple repairs around the car, be sure to visit us at dispairrepair.com.